Good morning and welcome to Lost Island. We are here for Fire Runners Media Day. So this is the all-new RMC single rail here at Lost Island in Waterloo, Iowa. A couple exciting things about this ride. Number one, this is probably the most well-themed RMC single rail out there. This park has a tendency to really take theming up a notch. Even with a coaster model that has been done before, they dress it up, they make it look good, they add a story. I'm excited. Also, although this specific layout of the RMC Raptor exists, this version has 12 passenger trains, meaning sitting in the back of this thing should give you even more whip in that first drop and the other elements on the ride. Super excited. Let's check out Fire Runner. Okay, Fire Runner. I want to walk through this experience in order. So first thing, that queue is awesome. You go through a cave, there's flickering lights, there's props all around, it's dark, there's music. It adds so much when you have an immersive experience leading up to the ride. It's not just about the destination, it's about the journey too. From my understandings, Lost Island doesn't typically get, hours and hours and hours of lines. But even if it is a pretty quick wait, who wouldn't want it to be a more immersive, exciting experience leading up to the ride? It builds the excitement and the hype so that by the time you get to the station, you're ready to ride. Now, the ride experience itself, it is everything you know and love about these small scale, compact RMC Raptors. But there's even a little icing on the cake. You have the longer trains, which do give more whip over that drop. Up in the front, the drop is a little less exciting than in the back, but by the time you reach the bottom, the whole train just gets pushed into those next elements. Watching these Raptors, especially when they go over that first twisted airtime hill, up the curve into that little S-bend, that whole section looks sped up. It looks like you're pressing fast forward. Something else here is the station, and as you would imagine, the station looks immaculate. But something I didn't know it would do is give you a head chopper moment on that cutback inversion. You go right over the roof of it and it gets pretty close. So far, I am just impressed by what Lost Island was able to do here with Fire Runner. What's going on, guys? We are here at Lost Island in Iowa checking out the all-new Fire Runner. This is the new RMC single rail. This is the Raptor model. We're going up 105 feet. We're gonna go down a 97-foot drop, nearly vertical, 52 miles an hour. And if you know anything about these Raptors, these are some breakneck roller coasters. So already, here we are at the top of the very loud lift hill. You get a nice view going around this corner, a lot of, oh, there's the rest of the park, and here we go, first drop. Whoa! No! Into the first inversion. Okay, airtime hill. Whoa! That's that RMC ejector. Little S-bend here, back down. Woo! A cutback near miss with the station. Oh, some nice floater in that corkscrew. Positive G's. Let's pop into the brakes. I mean, that is intense. It is a very, very quick ride, but you cannot say that there's a single dead spot or dead zone here. So this is an awesome new addition here at Lost Island. Make sure you come check it out. They really have something special here. I love RMC Raptors wherever they are, but it's always been interesting to me that the Six Flags parks went so aggressive at installing these in a lot of their parks. These are lower capacity, very compact, and more inexpensive rides than other manufacturers' options. I'd imagine the target park for a Raptor is or should be smaller parks that might not have as much land to give. Maybe they don't have the budget for a massive modern thrill coaster, and a park that can handle a lower capacity ride. It's the worst when you have a very busy park with a notably low capacity ride. That just kind of kills the vibe. But this is what the Raptor was meant for, and it excels here. We just rode in the back of Fire Runner. I was in the second to back. Cole here was in the very back row. So Cole, what did you think of the back?
The back is awesome, really good pacing. It's still early in the morning, so you can tell it's probably going to speed up a little bit throughout the day, but really good. I was borderline graying out on some of those last inversions and turns, so overall though, the ride has just like a really nice aesthetic to it. The station looks really good. The rock tunnel that you enter when you're entering into the queue. As always, Lost Island just does a really good job with these sort of things.
I'm here with Katie, Katie's Coasters.
Hey guys.
Katie, what did you think of Fire Runner?
Oh, I loved it. It's awesome. I love single rail coasters, and the fact Lost Island has one here is just sweet. The theming in the queue is like spectacular, like probably some of the best RMC single rail theming, to be honest. And then some of the pops of airtime really blew me away. Like, it was strong. It might arguably be like some of the strongest RMC single rail airtime I experienced. It was great. You have to come out and ride it.
But that is going to do it for the media day here at Lost Island, checking out the all-new Fire Runner single rail roller coaster. These RMCs are awesome, but it's even cooler to check one out at a park that puts the time in to create an incredibly immersive experience. The storyline, the atmosphere, the ambience, the queue, the station, all of it plays in to make this a really fantastic experience on and off the ride. If you've been on the fence about visiting Lost Island, this just gives you another reason, but there's so much more to explore here. I will be making a video on my full experience, my first time here at Lost Island, checking out all of the rides and attractions. Make sure you're subscribed to see that when it comes out real soon. But thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, consider liking it. If you want to see more roller coaster content just like this, consider subscribing. My name's John. You've been watching Midcourse Discourse, and I'll see you next time.